Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your child's privacy with Disney, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your child's privacy with Disney, start by creating a secure Disney account. Ensure you choose a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Review your child's profile settings in the Disney app. Adjust privacy settings to limit who can see their activity. Make sure to set age restrictions on content to prevent exposure to inappropriate material. Regularly check the apps and features your child is using within the Disney platform. Educate your child about sharing personal information online. Discuss the importance of not sharing their account details with friends. Encourage them to use a nickname instead of their real name in games or online interactions. Look for features that allow you to monitor their activity and control their screen time. Set time limits for app usage to promote healthy habits. Periodically review the content they are interacting with on Disney platforms. Use the parental controls feature to restrict access to unfamiliar content. Stay informed about Disney's privacy policy and updates regarding children's privacy. Remind your child to log out from their account when using shared devices. Finally, have regular conversations about online safety to reinforce the importance of privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.